Hi my angels, today is our 2-year wedding anniversary, and I just posted a whole bunch of pictures onto my Instagram. Loads of pictures actually that I haven't posted yet already. I'm just reminiscing like that whole day, well that whole week actually in Mexico, and it feels like it was just the other day, and I don't have any idea how 2 years has just zoomed straight past us. And obviously because of the lockdown here in the UK, my husband and I were like, what should we do to celebrate? And back in the day when we first got together, we used to go for picnics all the time. So he was like, how about we go and do a picnic? So I thought I'd actually pick up the camera and do a little bit of vlogging so you guys can see what we get up to. But I'm using a lot of products that I used on my wedding day, so it's going to be a bit of a trip down memory lane, and I thought I could just get ready on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna just shoved everything on the floor, and I'm just going to start getting ready. So I'm using this Bliss Vitamin C Tri-Peptide Moisturiser. This was sent to me in a PR, but I feel like I cannot find it anywhere on like UK websites. But this is such a beautiful, like thick emollient cream. It's got like a really like thick but like moussey texture to it. I really like this. I had this on my desk where sometimes I'll just sit there, and every now and again I'll like put a bit of moisturiser on, put a bit of spray this on my face, and ever since I've had it on my desk I've been like obsessed with it. I know this is the wrong way around, but I'm going to add some serum on top. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil-Infused Serum. It's really beautiful as well. And I'm just going to get a little bit of that onto my face. So, taking my all-nighter setting spray, I did this for every single wedding event that I had. I am going to spray this on as my primer on all of my face. And this, I'm basically going to lay it in between every single product that I put on my skin. So, I actually don't have any of the all-nighter foundation that I used on my wedding day. I actually used a mixture of that and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. But I'm just going to mix something else together. So I thought I would put this Mercier tinted moisturiser on because we're going to be out in the sun, and I want to make sure I've got some SPF on my face. And I feel like, do you know what, I'm going to mix it in with the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation because I just love the way that this looks on my skin. So I'm taking 1.5 pump of that. Actually, do you know what, I'm going to add a little bit of this Maybelline Superstay foundation into it as well, just because I really like the way this sits on my skin. And then a good squeeze of the Mercier. This is way too much foundation, oh my god. I'm just gonna get a bit closer. And I'm just gonna start putting this on. I still remember my wedding day was so chilled out. I was just getting ready. I actually got ready by myself. My best friend, my mom was in my room, my best friend. And we were just, like, it was so calm, like there was no rush. And I think it's because the wedding was like in the resort, and like we didn't have to like rush to get anywhere or like drive anywhere. So it was really nice to just get ready. Like I think I did my makeup in like 25 minutes. Like it was so quick. I'm so glad that I went for like a really simple makeup look. Because even when I look back at the pictures now, I'm like, oh, that looks like me, you know? And that's the vibe that I wanted to go down. And I feel like a lot of brides are doing that these days, like going down the very simple route. But I do love like the full glam brides as well. Maybe I should turn myself into like a full glam bride. It'd be kind of interesting actually to see myself like that. But maybe that's something that I can add to my list of videos to film. So a bit more of the all-nighter setting spray. Now I don't think I did a cream contour, but I'm going to do one anyways today, seeing as it's a special occasion. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty cream contour in the shade Macchiato, and I'm going to get this onto the usual areas that I like to look nice and bronzed. And this is really like creamy and super easy to blend out. Actually, tell a lie, I feel like I did do a cream contour. I feel like it might have been the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. I don't have that up here because I'm filming upstairs in my bedroom. A little bit on the sides of my nose. Also, I was totally going to wash my hair today, but I was like, I'm going to be really late if I end up doing that. So I haven't washed my hair. I'm just going to have it in a high ponytail. Now I'm going to add my concealer. I'm going to take the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Get that on to the usuals. I feel like on my wedding day I did the full like big triangle underneath my eyes. but I don't think I'm going to do the exact same techniques because I feel like my makeup techniques have changed slightly. I feel like on my wedding day I added a little bit of brightness. And I'm going to take the Infallible just in the centres right here, and then I'm just going to blend. Get another spray of this. Bronzer, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Back to Bronze. This is the bronzer that I used on my wedding day. I feel like I don't know whether my face is dry enough just yet. And then my blush I used for my wedding day was this MAC blush right here. It's called Sweet Enough. Such a beautiful shade. You can totally wear this all year round. It's a very me tone as well. It's like quite like a mauvey tone. I'm going to get this onto the apples of my cheeks. And then for highlight, I actually wore a highlight from L'Oreal, and I think it was called like the foiled highlighter or something like that. It was so beautiful, but it's out of stock. I think it was limited edition actually, so instead I'm going to wear my favourite highlight of the moment. My favourite like powder highlight is Champagne Pop from Becca, but I think I'm going to go in with the Ignite highlighter, only because I literally wear this all the time. So I'm going to take some of that onto the high points of my face. And the one thing that I really like about this highlighter is that it doesn't leave like streaks even though I'm applying it with a brush. It actually is so creamy, it just melts into the skin. Getting another spray of this on. So I am going to add a little bit of the Champagne Pop on top to give it a bit of a boost. Some extra glow. I've very quickly filled in my brows and realised I've forgotten my setting powder downstairs. So we're just going to pretend that I've set my face in place. I'm going to do that when I head down. So I actually wore lash extensions on my wedding day, like my whole wedding week, and it was the best thing that I can recommend any bride to do because you don't have to worry about putting mascara on. Your lashes always look perfect, especially when you're doing like a no makeup vibe. You always feel like you're put together. So today I'm just going to wear mascara, and that is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift, and I'm going to get a good amount of this onto my top and my bottom lashes. Moving on to lipstick, I'm going to take this YSL Tatouage liquid lipstick in the shade number 7. This was my jam in 2018. I used to wear this all the time. It's such a stunning shade, and it doesn't feel like you've got anything on your lips, which is what I love about it. And even the smell of this just takes me back to my wedding day. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of lip liner, Spice from MAC, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. I still remember getting to this point of doing my makeup and going, right, I think I'm done, and then I was like, actually, I think I want to add a little bit to my eyes, because I never ever wear eyeshadow unless it's for a special occasion. I was like, this is a special occasion, like I want to wear a little bit of eyeshadow. So what I did was I got this Colour Chameleon stick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Amethyst Aphrodisiac. And what I did was I created like a bit of a fake little wing situation right here. And it was literally just that. There's nothing else to it. And then I just smoked the line out very slightly like that. And that was literally it. And it just made the whole look come together, especially because I was wearing a purpley kind of lilac tone in my outfit. I thought this would complement it really nicely. And I'm just going to do the same thing here. And it really was as simple as that. And in true Kaushal style, I wasn't wearing anything else on my eyelids. I left the natural kind of colour on my eyelids peeking through, so it kind of looks like I was wearing eyeshadow when really it was just this tiny little wing on the outer portions of both my eyes. And I don't know whether I'm going to put any lashes on. I kind of feel like I don't want to, but I definitely need to do my hair. So I'm very quickly gonna put a nice little high ponytail. Actually, I might do the half up, half down thing. Okay.
I made that smell.
Do you know it? Does it remind you of the wedding?
What, your setting spray?
Yeah.
Not of the wedding.
Oh, okay, so that smell reminds me of my wedding. My wedding, our wedding. I feel like my hair is done. I'm gonna go put some jewellery on. I think I might just go with some hoops, something simple, but this is my makeup all done. Oh, actually no, I need to set my face still, so I'm gonna go do that when I get downstairs.
You have to put more setting spray.
No. Oh wait. One last spritz. Thanks for reminding me. So now my makeup is all done. I just need to add some setting powder onto like the concealer areas. So this is my makeup that I'm wearing today, which is very, very similar to my wedding day makeup. And I hope you guys like it. But now I need to go downstairs, I need to get to the picnic basket ready and head on out. We just got to the park and we're gonna set up our little picnic and then just enjoy it. There's such nice weather as well. And we're just gonna enjoy the lovely food. We've got loads of fruit, crisps, sandwiches, fake champagne, the lot.